Ra tús na craibh a gúnaí bíonn sketch mini an fecinn tú na slúite filarás an rud is seorfaí fel na go an slú gáardú bliana ní bliana ach an caiid Peile tá na himróí a feimú a mar a réime fecinn muid an 3 grád seoir idirránach agus sínsir scach na Peile agus be anchuid síimseachta amachrún ar TG Ceathair.
Bhí sé anna at an uirigh nar nach raibh fiú ar chluine ann teacht chuig na cluichí, so magsúil go mór leis na proper fans ar fád a eáil ag na cluichí.
Getting crowds and numbers back and getting more people watching the ladies' game and its growth, I think, is something that's been huge over the last few years, so it'll be really exciting to get kind of more numbers and hopefully break records again this year.
Having support out of games makes a massive difference, even for atmosphere. Having that extra bit of support and noise, it drives players on. It makes it more enjoyable.
To see games being televised and to see girls that they know, that they might see down at their own local pitch and everything, oh, they're on television as well. I could get to play on television too, and it just keeps them involved. It's great promotion for the game and everything, and yeah, gets them stuck into it as well.
So it's muintir bunscoil mé, so they're going to kind of agus cur ceist or to might do immer check on Jerry Shockton or on route to and your VMA immer and a kind of chéile a bhíonn sé duch reite agus bíonn an sim ag teacht gach bhíon like sim níos mó gach bhíon just calling ní beag bucail, but sin an rud atá tábhachtach I móthúram.
We're just really looking forward to having all the proper fans back in the stadiums, and we definitely would encourage as many people to come, and you won't regret it.
Absolutely, I can't wait to get going with the TG Ceathair Junior Championship. I want to be making it to Croke Park on the 31st of July. It'll be tough, like we have a tough group. We're playing Antrim. They were a brilliant side last year. We haven't met them yet this year. And then we're playing New York after that. Obviously we don't know what New York will bring, and we'll just have to prepare for that.
Tá an fearn go léir go Bergadín agus tá méid go mór leis. Beidh sé simúla eáil go bhfuil nua Amhrach agus London sa tra Sóisireach Mlína, so tá méid go mór leis.
There could be plenty of surprises in the Intermediate Championship. It's a very difficult group of teams there. You want to be playing against the best teams, and I think we're more than capable of doing that. It was very disappointing after last year, so we obviously want to bounce back as quick as we can. Hopefully we'll start it this year.
Tá súlagam go maiid fós sacramórtas ag Jeremy Úl. Feic míid, brand séar go leor rudí, but tá súlagam go maiid fós hart.
So what we done last year for ladies football was inspirational. They came up from intermediate and won the senior championship. So I think it's definitely inspired other counties and make it seem very possible and realistic. But for this year, there will be great competitors.
I suppose last year, no one really, at the start of the year, might have given me the chance, and they just totally blew open the whole championship. And the same, other teams might be looking at them thinking, well, if they kind of came out of nowhere and could do it, then other teams can do it as well. So I think it's made it a lot more competitive, a lot more open, and yeah, the summer will tell a lot, I think.
I think it's going to be more open this year. I think there could be a shock, or there's no one really that we don't want to play, I suppose. We're ready for anybody, and we can just adjust to whoever we get in the championship.
We look at it as a challenge and wanting to better ourselves and take it on and just hopefully inspire other people to stand up, and just, if you believe enough that something can happen, it can.
Na himróí tá an ó thaobh tréálaide ó thaobh ilúnste tá nirid feabhas curtha chuile is cuma cén leibhile tá an go seoir idirbeannach sínsir agus caithfidh bheith súlastóid leis an rud a tharlas gan chuine.